Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track your spending with Chase. So tracking your spending on Chase is a pretty simple process, pretty straightforward, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So first step is to sign into your Chase account, and of course you can sign in on the mobile app, or you can sign in on the website with your computer. The first step is to sign in to your account, and once you're signed in, you want to click on spending, and then you want to select track spendings. Now you want to review your transaction history. So once you're tracking your spendings, you can easily review your transaction history, and you can also categorize these your spendings and track what exactly money is going into, and when that's happening and all that. You can also just set budgets as well as to receive alerts, so you know when you go over the limits on any particular category. Could be on transportation, or whatever else it may be. So yeah, that's pretty much it for how to track your spendings with Chase. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.